Today we are in Seminyak on the 8th Street next to Seminyak Square, and we're gonna head into direction of famous La Favela and Red Carpet, and let's see how busy is right now during the 7:30 p.m. weekdays on the 8th Street Seminyak, guys.
We are on Jalan Kayuaya Street, where it's famous for the many shops. You see like the boutique next to me, and also the 8th Street, so many restaurants here. Many nice restaurant, but if you asking me about the price, from average and up, yeah, but still reasonable because this is the tourist place, right? So yeah, let's stroll around and see how it is now in Jalan Kayuaya Street. Seems like busy.
This is the Seminyak Square, little more. There's some tourists around. Check this out, this sign. Be aware of the scammers around. Very important, guys. Unfortunately, still coming. Hello, Yooo, thank you for the taxi. And meanwhile, this is the 8th Street. We're gonna head into this direction. There's the La Favela, Red Carpet, and any popular bars around. And meanwhile, also over here, there are some restaurants like at the junction, and there are already some guests everywhere around. And that's the situation. You can find also the shops with the dresses, shops, boutiques, any kind of actually places to spend your money when you're on holidays. We are today focusing on overall conditions on the street, and well, there are definitely some tourists walking around, international, so that's very nice. And most of the shops currently are open again. Even the shop with the local merchandise, it seems like they have some guests, happy people trying to buy something, and people walking here, taxis are honking. And there is like a huge group of the people going somewhere, probably to the party, because the most party area is on the middle of the street, actually over there where we are heading right now. And also here is Makinos, a Greek restaurant, also quite a lot of people sitting inside. So actually big improvements, really a lot of improvements around. There is like a really big group of the happy people walking around. But check this out, there are tourists passing by all the time. And this is the Makinos restaurant, like I said, very busy. Even I think there is the waiting list right now. So,
honey, I don't know what to say. You know, like yesterday when we were in Kuta,
2 days ago.
2 days ago we were in Kuta, and we saw so many international tourists already enjoying the time, eating, in the restaurant. And now I feel like I wanna eat Greek food, but seems like, a full house. So let's go walk over there and see what restaurant is empty.
Another happy restaurant around over here is Chandi restaurant. Seems like it's also successful. There are some people, maybe not, it's not full house. However, there are some people sitting inside, which is very nice. And meanwhile, overall general situation on the street, we are still on the way to the center. Also over here you can find the massage parlors everywhere around, and so many shops and everything, like a Palm Lagoon or something with the tropical outfit in case if you are looking for something tropical, like a pink flamingo shirt or something like that.
Guys, seems like nowadays I see that the trend in Seminyak is so many schoolies here in Seminyak, having a holidays. So yeah, so many young people.
This is the Italian job. We're used to being here quite many times when it was the nice promotion during the pandemic, but currently the prices are come back, so we are looking for better deals. So let's have a look.
And
right?
Also the place, I see that it's full house, guys. So
right.
Yeah, let's go further.
Let's go further. There are some people who are trying to sell you something. As always, actually, that's nothing has really changed. There are also the rumors here supposed to be, and it's totally closed. So, well, some companies are gone, unfortunately. Rumors is one of them. There was very popular place, I remember, actually. And meanwhile, at the front of Winnie, there's really group of very happy people. I can see that, very happy so far. But that's good. Well, there is another place with the loud music. Here where Winnie is going is Ultimo. Somebody asked me always, where is Ultimo? Ultimo is over here. That was Char Char long time ago. This very popular boutique Bali, Bambulano. bamboo blonde, bamboo blonde.
Not bamboo balloon.
No, you know.
Honey, you are just nervous because of the traffic is back. You
Yeah,
see?
traffic is back. That's what I just
And
wanted
people
to say.
on the street trying to sell you something, bike, mushroom, and everything.
And other things as well, what I totally don't need, if you know what I mean, guys. So we are approaching the area of the center of the Eat Street, Kayayu Street, which will be the popular spots like La Favela and stuff. So traffic is also bigger over here already. Check this out. This boy gonna drive into me. Wow, traffic is back. And meanwhile, the Bakso guy at the front. There is the group of the people, and everywhere where I hear people are heading to either to La Favela or Damari. I don't know why actually these two places. However, well, it's going like this. Meanwhile, the shops and everything. Of course, the traffic is not as that bad how it used to be, but it's getting better. And this is the new place. It's called Goat. Also very busy. Yes, I am. What do you think?
Yeah, this is the pub in Seminyak, actually
The
in
pub,
Kayuaya Street. Seems like just opening last, I think that few days ago, but now it seems like
Hello.
many people are already coming here.
Yeah, seems like actually there is the center of the action around. Actually, if you are looking for something interesting, it's actually definitely over there. Seafood restaurant with the live music also. Pretty packed with people. And overall situation, traffic, Berlin kebab. And La Favela, guys. Famous place. Everybody asking me all the time, can you show La Favela? Here we go. But I need to have more views to get inside. At least 100k for this video, guys. And yeah, but the traffic situation. This is the center of the action, guys. Famous champagne not champagne lodge, it's the red carpet. I didn't drink anything, guys. I'm not drinking, but you know, here we go, guys. It's open, and I'm gonna stop a little bit to show you around. That's how it looks, the situation of the traffic overall. It's getting busy, that's for sure. Champagne lodge. Why I call it champagne lodge? It's like a red carpet or whatever.
What I can say, wow.
Wow.
If you remember our previous videos when we were here alone, totally like only two of us and the owners, but looking at this, wow, so happy to see this one.
Yeah, seems very busy and very successful today, guys. To going to La Favela is like a waiting list. Check this out, the people waiting on the street, but seriously, like, I'm sorry, I cannot afford to go there today. But okay, maybe one day, if I'm gonna get a 100k views for this video, guys, that's for sure, I promise.
So this is how it is. We are just thinking to just sit here, enjoy the night in front of La Favela, and yeah, seems like really it's Seminyak nightlife is back. I'm watching here, yeah, so many people, so many schoolies are trying to get inside the La Favela, but seems like they will reject you or refuse you if you wear like bintang shirt and also sandals, something like wearing appropriate attire, they will not let you in. So you have to look like elegant to get
Looks
in.
fancy. So yeah, like these boys, and just wearing like, you know, so you have to wear nice. Sayang having ice cream. Let's see what's going on. It's almost 9 p.m. and the situation seems getting busier and busier. So could say Bali is back. Meanwhile, this is the goat, as I said. I think this is the same owned by the Forge in Seminyak on the other side. So if you know, you can let me know. Meanwhile, yeah.
This is how the Jalan Kayuaya street nowadays, where you know, like eat streets, nightclubs, you know, restaurants. So this is how it is. Already busy. People are enjoying their time. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.